In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an exponential moving average, or EMA, on MetaTrader 5. This is a really useful tool for analyzing price trends, and once you know where to click, it only takes a few seconds to set up. First, make sure you have MetaTrader 5 open and a chart displayed for the instrument you want to analyze. This could be a currency pair, a stock, or any other asset supported by your platform. Having the chart visible is important because the EMA will be applied directly to that chart. Now, look at the menu bar at the top of your MetaTrader 5 window. You're going to start by clicking on the Insert menu. This menu is where you find most of the technical tools and objects you can add to your charts. Go ahead and click Insert to open the drop-down list. From that list, move your mouse down to Indicators and hover over it. When you hover over Indicators, another menu will appear to the side. This is where all the built-in technical indicators are grouped by category, such as trend indicators, oscillators, volumes, and more. Since an EMA is a type of moving average, and moving averages are typically used to identify trends, you'll find it under the trend category. So, in that side menu, move down and click on trend. As soon as you click trend, you'll see another list of options appear. Here, look for moving average and select it. This is the key step that opens the settings window where you can choose the exact type of moving average you want, including the EMA. Once the moving average settings window opens, you'll be able to adjust parameters such as the period, which controls how many candles are used in the calculation, and the method, where you can switch from a simple moving average to an exponential one. To create an EMA, be sure to change the method to exponential. You can also choose which price to apply it to, like the close price, and customize the color and line style so it stands out clearly on your charts. After you've set everything the way you like, click OK. Your EMA will now appear on the chart, updating automatically as new price data comes in. That's all there is to it. Click Insert, then Indicators, then Trend, then Moving Average, and configure it as an exponential moving average.